Hi viewers, welcome to linuxmint.com. Today we are going to see about how to install Penguin Subtitle Player on Linux Mint 18.3. Penguin Subtitle Player is a free and open source cross-platform standalone subtitle player. And then Penguin Subtitle Player, you can display subtitles on top of any window without blocking your display. And then features of Penguin Subtitle Player: auto encoding detection, multiple subtitle formats supported, a drag and drop file customizable layout, and many more. Okay, now let us see how to install Penguin Subtitle Player on Linux Mint 18.3. Okay, now first of all we have to add the repository of Penguin Subtitle Player using by PPA. Hit enter and continue. Then before starting your installation, you should update our system repository using by apt-get command. The update is complete now. Then finally we have to install the Penguin Subtitle Player application. Now the installation successfully completed. Now we have to open the Linux Mint menu. Here we have to type Penguin Subtitle Player. The application is on the screen. Now we have to open this application. Now here we can see Penguin Subtitle Player. Now we can able to use this application. Now we have to check the version of Penguin Subtitle Player. Here we can see the version of Penguin Subtitle Player 1.1.0. Thus we have seen how to install Penguin Subtitle Player on Linux Mint 18.3. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Linuxhelp. If you still need more video, visit www.linuxhelp.com. For any queries to mail support@linuxhelp.com.